Welcome back, game developers. Before we start building in FlowLab, we watched a short video about best practices for creating your first game. These tips are important because successful game development isn't just about coding and designing levels, it's about managing your project and learning from the process. One of the biggest lessons was to start small. Many new developers imagine huge games with dozens of levels and complicated mechanics. However, experienced game designers recommend creating a game that can be completed in about a month. The goal isn't to build the next blockbuster game, it's to just finish a project and learn from it. We also learned that game development almost always takes longer than expected. Challenges come up, bugs appear, and new ideas emerge along the way. If your project takes longer than planned, that's normal. The important thing is to keep moving forward and continue learning. Another tip was to build first and perfect later. Instead of spending weeks planning every detail, start creating something playable as quickly as possible. The experience you gain from building and testing is often more valuable than having a perfect design document. The video also encouraged us to set milestones and break large goals into smaller tasks. Rather than writing finished game on a to-do list, create smaller goals like build player movement, create level 1, and add sound effects. Small wins help keep projects organized and manageable. We learned the importance of checking in with our projects regularly. Even if you're busy, spending a little time reviewing your game each week helps you stay connected to your work and prevents you from losing momentum. Another great reminder was not to worry too much about fancy graphics or sound effects at the beginning. A simple game with fun gameplay is better than a beautiful game that doesn't work well. Focus on making your game playable first. You can always add polish later. The video also emphasized using resources when you're stuck. If you've been trying to solve a problem for a long time, look for tutorials, ask questions, and learn from others. Every game developer uses resources to continue growing their skills. Finally, one of the most important tips was to let other people play your game. Watching players interact with your creation gives you valuable feedback and helps you discover ways to improve your design. With those game development principles in mind,